Welcome back to the channel where we simplify technology for you. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to use the filter function and the filter command from the menu. This time, I will demonstrate how to name your filter, so you don't have to repeat the same process again and again. When you name a filter, you can simply select the name of the filter to apply such filter. So let's give an example. So let's say I have this spreadsheet and I want to filter based on the average. I want to know how many students are whose grade is greater than or equal to 90 and how many grades are lower than 75. So again, if you don't know how to use the filter function, you can simply click the filter icon or create a filter from the menu, and then you can click the drop down. Since I want to see all the average that is higher than 90, so it means that we will make use of the filter by condition. So this time I will make use of greater than or equal to, and then I will put here 90. So if you look at after clicking OK, let me zoom out for a while. So I'll click OK so I can, okay. So you will see that I have filtered my data set. So these are the grades that is higher than 90. For me not to repeat the process, what I can do now is to click the drop down arrow in the filter command, and then I can name this filter by saving the filter view. So in this case, I will change the default name to average greater than or equal to 90, for example. So I will press the return key again, and then I can now close this one. Now right now the filter is still turned on, so I'll turn it off, and then you will see that I can go to data and I'll click filter view, and then I'll click average greater than or equal to 90, and I am done filtering the record. Let us say, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let us say I will close this one again, so the filter is not active. If I change something here, for example, I'd like this, let's say I'll change this to 90, 94, and then 95, and then 93. So this is an additional record for the greater than or equal to 90. So if I go back here in the summary, and then I'll click data and then filter view and then average that is greater than or equal to 90, you will see that it's also included there. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, it's very easy to do. Let me repeat the process. So for example, this time I will want to save the filter wherein the grade is less than 75. So all I need to do is make use of the menu, click data, and then create a filter, and then based on the average grade we will filter by condition, and then this time we want to show the grades that is less than 75. So we will put 75 here, and then let us click OK, and then you'll see there are 2 students from all the sections with grades less than 75. So let's save this one again. So I'll save this, and then I'll say less than 75. So there are 2 records as of now. If I close this, and then let's say I modify something in section blah blah, for example, let's say this is 73 and then this is 75. So when I go back to summary and apply the filter less than 75, we will now have okay, let me turn off first the filter. Okay, click data again, and then filter view less than 75. We now have 3 records. So that is how you can save a filter view using the menu. From data, click filter, and then name a filter. Okay, so if you have any questions, please comment down below. Bye for now.